ECs, we return to stage 2 watering rules today. You know, that's the first time that's happened in 2 years for San Antonio. And because of all the spring rains that led even into the early summer rains, we can be, of course, grateful. Let's take a look at what this means for you. From stage 3 to stage 2 officially today. It does mean that the watering rules stay the same. Let's begin there. But you can see the 24-hour change. We dropped more than a foot from yesterday to today, and the 10-day average is the number we watch. Tonight it's 650.5. So if it drops again to 640 or below, then we go back to stage 3. Your watering is, of course, based on the last number of your address. So you can water between right now and midnight if your address ends in 2 or 3, 4 or 5 tomorrow, and so on. And the best time to water, by the way, between 5 and 10 a.m. or 9 p.m. and midnight. That's the most effective time. The biggest change is we now move to drought, or stage 2 drought condition, or watering rules technically, officially today. It means that surcharges are discontinued. So if you go above average on your monthly usage, you won't see another line item on that SAWS bill. A few showers, and that's kind of ironic today, right? Did sneak in right across the west side of Bexar County, far west, right up into about almost Leon Valley and Helotes. It wasn't very much, a little isolated pocket or two. Southeast fetch from the Gulf continues to keep the humidity high with mostly clear skies. It's 87. We were at 90 this time last night, but it still feels like 93. And you can see the response to that Gulf breeze, the dew point over 70. We hit 100 at Seguin, 101 in Gonzales, 105 the high today. That's Pearsall and Cotulla both. 102 Eagle Pass. We stopped at 98 in the city, about where we should be for the beginning of August. 97. The record from 2023 stays in place of 105, but no rain officially at the airport. All right, wake the kids and phone the neighbors for a beautiful, beautiful sunset over Medina Lake. Isn't it so nice to see that kind of water level at 29% full? Wayne and Jamie getting the camera out on a Tuesday sunset. Thank you. Just beautiful. Now you can see the dryness to this mid and upper level atmosphere on water vapor. Notice that we've got that clockwise wind in the mid levels as well because the high is positioned off to the west. That's why we're sneaking in a few of these isolated showers. It won't be much. We don't have a system to work with. And the models are kind of back and forth on who says where this rainfall could materialize. First up, the graph model. We start cloudy tomorrow. Despite the cloud cover, no rain until we get a little daytime heating, and it's only an isolated shower or two to our south and to our west, according to the graph. Second opinion, just like going to the doctor's office, let's take a look at the HRRR. And it's a little bit more west down Highway 90 and closer to Uvalde that we see a little bit of rain, again, in daytime heating materialize on Wednesday. From San Fernando Cathedral, the extended forecast will show you, I'm going to go with a 10% chance for the rest of the work week. 97 to 98 means that things stay seasonal. We will get a nice breeze in the afternoon, but daytime winds are going to be around 10, maybe 12 miles per hour. So that's why you feel every bit of that 97. And remember the heat index. So make sure you're hydrating. Make sure you're wearing light colored, loose fitting clothing. Going to warm up a little bit going into next week. The first day of school for the city's largest district, North Side. Classrooms open on the 10th. And we're going to be hitting 100. Don't forget Project Cool with this kind of heat. We're in our 30th year. Drop off a brand new box fan at any San Antonio fire station. Nate is next.